Well, good evening everyone. We have the Trivandrum YFC here presenting a skit before you. It's called The Fridge. These are two guys who just bought a brand new fridge and they're gonna settle down with this fridge. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Okay. Wow, man! We got a brand new fridge! This was what we needed. All our lives, one thing which was lacking, a fridge. A fridge for all our food. We've got it, man!
Let's see whether it works.
I'll plug it in. Is it working?
Yeah, it does.
Yes, man! The fridge is working! Hey, by the way, where's Vijoy, man?
He said it'll be in 5 minutes.
Okay, he better be in there.
Hi guys!
Hi, Vijoy!
Look what I bought you.
What is this, man?
It's fish.
Wow!
It's a 200 bucks, yeah, 200 bucks.
Wow, man! Such a big fish!
Yeah. You like?
I like it, man!
Ah,
Hey,
what you bought?
look what we got, man! We got a brand new fridge!
Fridge? Wow, our dream come true, yeah.
Yes, man!
Wow.
Let's put it in.
Let's put it in the fridge, man. Okay.
Hey, aren't we supposed to go for the camp now?
ZINDHAGI Unlimited!
Yeah, I'm already ready, yeah.
You're all ready, yeah?
I have already packed my bags, yeah.
I got some more things to pack.
Come on, fast, yeah, fast, come on.
The train's in 2 hours. Let's hurry, let's hurry.
Hurry up.
30 seconds.
Okay. अरे यार, वो स्विच ऑफ करना, हाँ? अरे फैंस ऑफ करना. अरे जल्दी आना ट्रेन छूट जाएगा. ओके.
Let's go!
Now the team has left for Zindagi Unlimited. They're coming back after a week. Let's see what happens to their lives with a new fridge and Zindagi Unlimited's after effects.
To God, hallelujah. To God, hallelujah. To God, hallelujah.
Yeah.
Hey,
What's smelling, yeah?
what's smelling here?
Yeah.
Something's smelling very bad, man. Hey, what is it? My socks are... Man, I didn't wear my socks today. It's yours.
Yeah, it will be yours.
It's your socks, man.
I wore it for a week.
Only 1 week, then it's not your socks. Okay.
It's coming from the fridge.
From the fridge?
No, yeah, it's a new fridge, yeah?
It's coming from the fridge.
Man, it's a brand new fridge. How can the smell be from the fridge?
Hey, maybe it might be depressed. We were not here, right?
Oh, yes, the fridge might be depressed, man. 1 week without us. Okay, let's sing a song for this fridge.
Huh? Sing. तेरे नाम
Zindagi Unlimited. Man, smile, smile, man.
Fry.
This is not it's not the depression anyway.
Oh, let's have a soap wash, eh?
Okay, let's give it a soap wash, man.
Clean it very good.
Hey, bring some water, man.
Okay.
अरे पानी तो खत्म हो गया।
The water is finished, yeah.
Water? Okay, last bucket.
Oh, still it's sticky.
Man, it's still stinking, man.
Why not try some Axe deodorant? Maybe that should work.
Yeah, take it. Take care. Oh, bad smell. Very, very bad smell, yeah.
Axe! It's the man's thing!
Yep, that should do it.
Wow, it smells good smell, yeah?
Smells stank.
Yeah, still stinking, yeah. Hey, check it inside, man. Check it in.
Nah,
It must be on the inside only.
not possible.
Open it, man.
Anyway.
My fish!
What is that?
My fish! Arey yaar! My fish!
200 rupees of fish!
Oh, 200 rupees fish!
Man, it's all rotten. We have to
No,
throw it
no, don't throw, please. Please.
Arey, it's 1 week old, man.
No, my fish! Don't throw! Arey yaar.
Hey, now it smells great. Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it's good.
Not bad.
Hey, what was the problem, man?
I don't know.
The fish. It's gone. Wow, it's smelling nice now.
Yeah, it's very nice, yeah. It's very nice.
Yeah, but how did it stop? I mean, it should be running.
Arey yaar, it's a new fridge. What happened to it? Man, the switch is off.
You put it off the switch.
You told me to off all the switches.
No, I have not put it off the fridge.
You did.
No.
Yes, you did. So I offed it.
Man, it was a switch all along.
Yeah, it was. Let's put it on.
Okay.
Yeah, it works. It works.
It works, man. That's a fridge.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, maybe you guys would have understood what was wrong. If you didn't, maybe you should catch up with Matthew 15, verse 18 and 19. Matthew chapter 15, verse 18 and 19 says, "But those things which proceed out of the mouth come forth from the heart, and they defile the man. For out of the heart proceed evil thoughts, murders, adulteries, fornications, thefts, false witnesses, blasphemies." So it's not what is on the outside that counts. Let's check out what is on your inside. Signing off, Trivandrum YFC. Thank you guys.